I'm about to show you how I make over $400,000 per month selling social media management to small businesses and how we're now using AI to create posts faster than ever before. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you know I'm not full of it. So we've got over $400,000 in revenue right here. I'm showing you this because if you're watching someone talk about making money and they won't show you the numbers, you probably should not listen to them. Now that you see the proof, here's the deal. I believe this is the best time in history to start offering social media management, even if you're a complete beginner with zero experience, because AI tools now let you create weeks worth of content in minutes. Let me show you what I mean because this is going to blow your mind. Watch this. I clone myself as a bakery owner giving a baking tip.
Quick tip, if your bread keeps coming out flat, your yeast is probably dead. Test it first.
That's not a real bakery owner. That's me. AI made that video in about 60 seconds and it looks real enough to post on any social media page. I'm going to show you exactly how I did that, how to make social media images, and how to go sell this to local businesses for $1,000 a month. And at the end, I'm going to show you the exact method I use to get business owners on a call and close them, even if you have zero experience and zero clients right now. So let's get into it. Chapter 1, what AI social media management actually is. So before we go any further, let me explain social media management for beginners. Most local businesses don't post on social media at all. They don't have time for it. They're out running their business all day, and the last thing they want to do is sit down and figure out what to post on Instagram or Facebook. That's where you come in. What you're going to do is use AI tools to create videos and images for their social media pages, and then you're going to post 3 times a week for them. That's it. You're going to charge $1,000 a month per client for this because it saves them a ton of time. It makes them look way more professional online, and it actually brings them more business because people see them all the time on social media and think this company is legit. And the best part is AI does like 90% of the work for you. You're not sitting there for hours making graphics and editing videos by hand. I'm going to show you the 2 AI tools I use for creating the content in the next chapters. But first, I want to show you the tool I use to actually run my entire business because this is how we manage over 300 social media clients without losing our minds. It's called High Level, and it's a software built for agencies that lets you manage marketing and sales for multiple clients all in one account. We use it to schedule all of our clients' social media posts, build automations that turn followers into actual leads, and set up calendars so people can book appointments straight onto our clients' calendars. Everything runs through this one tool. I have a special link in the description that gets you a 30-day free trial. And when you use my link, you also get access to my AI Business Blueprint course completely for free. That course walks you through everything I'm about to show you in even more detail. So definitely grab that while it's still free. Now, let me show you the fun part, which is how to actually make these AI videos that look crazy good. Chapter 2, how to create AI videos with Sora. So the tool I use for AI video is called Sora, and you can get to it at Sora.com or by downloading the Sora app on your phone. You need a ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscription to use it, and it comes with that, so you don't have to pay extra. Now, here's what makes Sora so powerful for this. There's a feature called Characters where you can basically upload a short video of yourself, and then Sora will clone your look and your voice so you can put yourself into any scene you want. So what I do is I create a character of myself one time in the Sora app by recording a quick 3 to 10 second clip of me talking, and then I use that character to clone myself as different types of business owners. So let me show you how this works. In the Sora app, you go to your profile, tap Create Character, and then record your clip or upload one. Make sure the lighting is good and the background is clean. Once your character is set up, you can use that in any prompt to put yourself into a video. So here's what one of my prompts looks like. I write something like, using the reference character, create a 15-second vertical video where he's dressed as a bakery owner in a white apron, standing behind a counter with fresh bread. And then I describe what I want him to say, the timing of the video, and the visual beats. You can pause the video right now to see the full prompt on screen. And the output looks like this.
Quick tip, if your bread keeps coming out flat, your yeast is probably dead. Test it first. Warm water, a pinch of sugar, sprinkle the yeast on top, wait 10 minutes. If it bubbles, you're good. If it just sits there, so does your bread, and probably your Yelp reviews.
But let me show you another one because I want you to see how easy it is to do this for any type of business. Watch this. I clone myself as an auto detailer showing a quick car care tip.
Using dish soap on your car. Seriously, it strips the wax and dries out the paint. Use a pH neutral car wash soap instead. Your paint will last way longer. And if you see swirl marks everywhere, that's from the gas station car wash. Those brushes have been washing minivans since 2004.
Same exact process. I just changed the prompt to match the business type, and Sora does the rest. So imagine you go to a bakery owner or an auto detailer or literally any local business and you say, hey, I made this AI video of you giving tips on social media. Do you want to see it? That's going to get their attention fast. And once you can make videos like this in about a minute, you can pump out a ton of content for your clients every single week without breaking a sweat. Now, these videos alone aren't going to get you paid. So in a minute, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this clone video to land $1,000 a month clients. And it's way easier than you think. But before that, you also need images for social media posts. So let me show you the tool I use for that and how easy it is. Chapter 3, how to create social media images. So for images, I use a tool called Banana Pro. It's an AI image editor powered by Google's AI models, and it's amazing for social media graphics. You don't need to know graphic design at all. You just type what you want and it makes it for you. You just go to Gemini and select Create Image. So let's say you're managing social media for a bakery. You go into Banana Pro, upload a photo of their storefront or one of their products, and then you just type something like, turn this into a clean social media post with the text fresh sourdough every Saturday and make it bright and warm. And Banana Pro will generate a professional looking image in seconds. You can also create posts from scratch without uploading anything. Just describe what you want, pick your size, and let the AI do its thing. It even does good text on images, which most AI tools are bad at. So now you have AI videos from Sora and AI images from Banana Pro. Between those two tools, you can easily make 3 posts a week for any client. That's about 12 posts a month. Some of those will be AI videos of the business owner giving tips or showing their work, and some will be clean branded images. Mix it up so the feed looks good and people stay interested. Now here's the part you've been waiting for, because having the skills to make this content means nothing if you can't get someone to pay you for it. And the way I'm about to show you is something almost nobody is doing right now. Chapter 4, how to get clients. So here's what most people get wrong. They try to sell social media management by just saying, hey, do you need help with your social media? And the business owner says, no, I'm good, and hangs up. That's because you gave them nothing to look at and no reason to care. Here's what you do instead. Let's say you want to work with auto detailers. You would make a quick AI video of yourself dressed as an auto detailer, giving a car care tip using the same process I just showed you. That gives you a good prompt. Then you reach out to auto detailers in your area through cold call, cold DM, cold email, whatever you want. And you say something like, hey, I made an AI clone of you to show you what AI social media content looks like for your business. Would you like to see it? They're going to most likely say yes. That gets you a meeting and permission to find a picture of them and create their clone. This is a fresh new pitch that barely anyone else is doing right now. After you secure a meeting, you get on a Zoom call with them, or if they are local, then go directly to their business and show them the sample video. You show them a couple of the images you made with Banana Pro. You say, this is what your social media could look like. I will post 3 times a week for you. It's $1,000 a month. And if you're a total beginner with no clients yet and no case studies, here's what you do. You offer them a 14-day free trial. You say, let me just do this for 2 weeks so you can see the results, and if you like it, we'll keep going. You only have to offer the free trial when you're brand new and you don't have any proof that this works. Once you have 1 or 2 clients and you can show real results and real case studies, you don't need to offer the trial anymore. You just get on the call, show them the sample, and ask for payment right away. And here's the thing, $1,000 a month sounds like a lot, but for a business owner who doesn't have time to post anything on social media, having someone do it 3 times a week with professional videos and images, that's a no-brainer. Most social media agencies charge way more than that and don't even create videos, so you're actually giving them a great deal. Now, let me walk you through how to actually schedule and post the content once you have a client, because this part is super important and very simple. Chapter 5, how to post and manage content. So once you have a client, you're going to sit down for a couple of hours and make a month worth of content. If you are posting 3 times per week, then maybe that's 2 image posts made with Banana Pro and 1 is an AI video made with Sora. Or maybe it's 2 videos and 1 image. You mix it up depending on what works best for that business. Then you're going to schedule those posts ahead of time. If you're using a tool like High Level for your clients, you can go into the social media planner inside High Level and schedule everything right there. You go to marketing, then social planner, connect your clients' Facebook and Instagram accounts, and then just drag and drop your posts onto the calendar. That's it. If you don't use High Level, you can use any other basic scheduling tool, but High Level is nice because you can do so much more for your clients that actually helps their business grow, which is why I recommend it and use it for my entire social media agency. The key here is to batch your work. Don't make one post and then post it and then make another one. Sit down for maybe 1 to 2 hours at the start of the week, make 12 posts, schedule them, and you're done. If you have 5 clients paying you $1,000 a month, that's $5,000 a month, and you're spending maybe 10 hours a week on content. That's it. So now you know how everything works from start to finish. Let me just tie this all together and give you a simple plan to follow. Chapter 6, how to keep clients paying you every single month. So here's the thing that most people miss about social media management. If all you do is post content, your clients are going to leave eventually because they're going to look at their page and say, cool, I have nice posts, but where are the customers? That's why the real power of this business model isn't just posting, it's what happens after someone sees the post. And this is where high level changes everything. So let me show you what I mean. Let's say you post an AI video for a bakery client and someone comments, where are you guys located, or do you deliver? Inside a high level, you can set up automations that instantly send that person a DM or a text message with a link to place an order or the address to visit. The person who commented doesn't have to wait for the bakery owner to see it and reply 3 hours later. They get a response in seconds, and now that person just became a real lead. And it goes even further than that. Let's say someone clicks the link in your client's bio from one of your posts. You can send them to a landing page you built inside High Level with a quote form or a booking calendar. When they fill it out, High Level texts them right away and starts a conversation to get them booked in. So now you're not just a social media manager, you're the person who built them a system that turns likes and comments and profile visits into actual paying customers. That's why they keep paying you $1,000 a month, because you're making them money, not just making them look good. And that's the same exact model we're using with my agency to keep over 300 clients on a monthly plan. If you want to see one of our favorite automations, then watch this video next on how to automatically send messages, and I'll see you over there.